The coronavirus taking quite a toll on the Amish community in Lancaster County last spring. And according to a medical center at the heart of it all, because of that, the Amish have achieved what no other community has been able to do: herd immunity. So Alex George, fill us in.
So, Don, that medical center says that when churches were allowed to reopen in 2020, the Amish community came together in Lancaster County, and that's when 90% of the households of the Plain community had one member at least contract COVID-19, giving them now, this medical center says, herd immunity.
Herd immunity refers to the number of people in a community, or a country for that matter, that have some protection against an infectious process.
The Plain community of Amish and Mennonites in Lancaster County is making headlines for possibly having herd immunity. A medical center in the New Holland borough says after 90% of households were infected in 2020, this year the families are immune.
We don't really know how long you're protected, and we've seen cases where people get reinfected. So I don't personally believe that we will reach herd immunity going forward without the use of vaccination.
But experts are debating whether this is really as good as it sounds, especially since new COVID variants pose a threat. They say trying to get this type of herd immunity can actually have the opposite effect.
The idea that, we'll just let it happen naturally, in my opinion, is a bad idea. We need to vaccinate to prevent severe illness and death.
Dr. Mike says whether this community actually has herd immunity should not make anyone else think it's feasible for their households too.
I don't want people to get a false sense of security. Well, the Amish community in Lancaster County was the first in the country to reach herd immunity, and we can let our guard down. We cannot.
We reached out to Lancaster County as well as that medical bureau in New Holland, and we also reached out to numerous professors of Amish communities and Amish culture to find out a little bit more about this, and we did not hear back tonight, Dawn.
All right, Alex George live for us. Thank you, Alex. A peaceful